How to lock your profile on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to lock your profile on Facebook, and I will explain what is that mean. That mean only your friends, your close friends can see your profile posts, and status, videos. Only your friends can see it. Now all you need to do is go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down until you find profile locking. Now click on lock your profile so only friends will see your photos, post stories on your profile. And wait for a second. Now you locked your profile, click on OK, and now no one can see your profile, just your friends. You can unlock your profile by go again and follow the same steps. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.